Copper Chef 9 PIECE round copper pan set collection includes 5.8 QT. Casserole pan with 10 glass lid, 2.8 QT. Saucepan with glass lid, 1 QT. Saucepan, 10 round fry pan, 8 round fry pan, 9 by 3.5 round fry basket, and 9 round steamer tray cooking pans. Quick easy cleanup. We recommend that you clean your Copper Chef nonstick pan set by hand with water, a mild soap or cleanser, and a soft, non-metallic scrubber, sponge, or bristle brush. Alternatively, you may put your copper cookware in the dishwasher. Advanced Cerami-Tech Nonstick Coating, PTFE PFOA free Copper Chef cookware is the first of its kind designed with Advanced Cerami-Tech Nonstick Coating. We recommend that you use only non-metallic utensils made of wood, plastic, silicone, or bamboo. Stainless steel induction plate. Our copper cookware has an innovative, stainless steel induction plate built directly into our pot sets for cooking. It distributes high heat quickly and evenly to the entire cooking surface and is heat-proof up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit. Works on all stovetops. Featuring a Cerami-Tech non-stick outer coating and riveted handles for an extra secure grip, this Copper Chef cookware is intended for kitchen use, but always remember to use potholders. Handles can get hot when on the stovetop. Top reviews from the United States. Copper Chef pots. I read many reviews before I purchased these Copper Chef pots and pans. Because the reviews were more positive than negative, I purchased them and I love them. They're easy to cook with and they're easy to clean. It's unfortunate that people wrote some negative comments about the pots losing their non-stick abilities and flaking after a while. If you read all of the literature that comes with the set, you'll see that it is recommended to season the pots before use and then every 3 months or so after that to help with all of the qualities and extend the life of the pans, and they'll work as advertised.